Good morning, good morning. I hope you are doing great. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. We are straight to our Forex factory. Monday, Tuesday, we don't really have much. We don't really have any economic news. So from Wednesday until Friday, it's where we're going to have those economic events. We see CPI very, very important because that is going to help us to understand what's the state of the inflation, and that might influence Federal Reserve to cut the rates or to increase the rates or to pause with the rates or interest rates, something like that, right? So we also have PPI on Thursday. So this is going to be interesting week. Last week, the week was very, very slow. Maybe it's because we did not really have much. But on Friday, things were moving very smooth. And yeah, nothing much. So we started with GBP USD. We're not going to do the whole things because even tomorrow we're still going to touch one of our analysis. Before we continue, guys, just know that we have our very nice signals there for whoever who joins one of that. Once you join lifetime there, or once you join 6 months, you also get our system or our signal indicator that is going to also help you. But this is actually limited. It's limited for few people. So let me know if you want to be part of that. Scan that QR code or just WhatsApp me. So yeah, it's time for us to look for some serious trades, guys. We are on June, so which means December, it's around the corner. So we need to be extra serious. For those who want to learn, just let me know. So, and this coming week, I think I have partnership with Fund Your FX. It's actually a prop firm. So I will be giving 3 people 10K funded accounts. So just make sure you subscribe, you notify, you actually smash that notification button so that I will be choosing, but I will see how I will be choosing that. I will explain that actually tomorrow or maybe around Wednesday there. So on GBP USD, we can easily see that, you know what, the structure, it is still actually looking good. We are still on that nice uptrend structure. So the market is still very bullish. We see that. Even though we can see some smaller reversals here and there, but that is okay because we want the market to reverse before we continue buying. Or maybe the market might break out of that resistance area, or maybe we might get this nice sell off up to this support area. We want the market to reach there because it's going to give us enough bullish momentum. Remember, Wednesday we're going to have CPI. Things might change. And the problem is when we have this economic news or strong economic news, days before that, the market tends to be slower. It's like everyone is focusing on those days and the market tends to just not move at all. Then from those days, it's where the market starts to move and something like that. So now we are on Euro USD. Nothing really. It's not really much of a different from GBP. The structure is still quite similar. We are on this nice uptrend, so we still expect the market to continue. We expect the continuation of this bullish move. But where we are, the market is still playing around, but very closer to the support area. So I'm expecting to see that continuation of that buy. And that will mean the dollar is slowly losing the momentum. So let's hope that that CPI or PPI, which are coming this week, are going to be cool, or let's say a little bit weaker. That will help the dollar to be quite strong, obviously. So at the moment, we're still bullish. We're just waiting for the market to do its thing. But we have this resistance. We have this resistance area that we have. So we expect the market to do what? To break this resistance. Then we can say, okay, let's continue going up. Or maybe the market will reach this support area. But this one, you need to be extra careful because we also have this diagonal and also this horizontal one. So the market might choose to respect the horizontal one before going up, maybe this one. So sometimes the market does something like that or do something like that. And if maybe you're just focusing on one there, you might find yourself buying or selling to find out that the market was going to respect a certain level before going up. But at the moment, I think the most important one is going to be this resistance. We can see that the market is creating this wedge. So one way or another, the market will actually show us what is actually happening and what we are supposed to do. I hope maybe that makes sense, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So now we are on gold, precious metal. So gold is still actually on this nice bullish move, but we can see that slowly it's struggling. We see that yes, the bullish move was actually aggressive, but since we reached this level, I think let me see, it was around April. The market gave us some very nice push up to that point, 35 or 3,500. From there, the market started to consolidate. If you check that, the market is actually moving around the same level. So which means the market is actually consolidating. And we know very well that gold, it's actually a safe haven for countries, for businesses and stuff like that. So which means there is something which is happening. Maybe conflicts are cooling off and stuff like that, then we don't really see much of a push. But if things get out of hand, boom, we will see the market going even higher. But if things are getting better slowly, we will start to see gold not performing very well. At the end of the day, I think we will see those sell-offs. I hope you understand what I mean. So yeah, I'm expecting to see some continuation of that buy as long as we are still on this nice uptrend. I'm still expecting to see that continuation of a buy for now with the structures that we have. But yes, along the way, we know that the market might reverse because things are not getting out of hand every day. There's solutions here and there. There's China, US talking about the tariffs. That is good. Let's hope that Russia will also communicate very well with Ukraine. We see that things are getting out of hand here and there. But at the end of the day, I think slowly everything will come to an end. And from there, it's where we're going to see how the market is going to react. This structure is also similar to that, but on a daily time frame, man, it's not really that visible nice. It's not really that nice. So, but the overall thing here, the overall structure, we can see that the market is actually on this nice uptrend structure. So I'm expecting to see the market breaking out of that. Then we can say we are going to continue. But if you check it nicely, I'm still expecting to see that bullish move. But I think maybe we need to rewrite this. I think the structures there are no longer making sense with the older ones. But yeah, from tomorrow, I think I will do that because I see, let me just remove that. Let me just remove this. Come on, something like that. Delete. Yeah, so now we can say we'll focus on these horizontal structures. Along the way, we will start to draw our support area going further. What I know is, or what you can say is, we can easily see that we are on this ranging structure. Plus, we are also still on this nice uptrend, even though maybe the structures are not really clear or clean. But at the end of the day, we still see that, oh, we are still on this uptrend. We can see that the market is still going up. At the moment, we can say if the market sells off, we will expect to buy around the support area, or maybe the market will try to break out. Then we can continue going higher and higher. I hope maybe that makes sense. So let's push to the next one, which is actually Nasdaq 100. I'm expecting to see a continuation of that buy. We can see that we've been actually going up, or higher and higher. So the market, it's been struggling, especially on Friday. The market has been struggling, breaking out of that resistance area. But still, I'm still expecting to see a continuation of this buy. Things were not really bad on Friday. We had NFP, which made the dollar to be a little bit stronger. But we also saw Nasdaq going up because it shows us that as long as NFP is still going up, it shows us that there's no recession. People are still going to afford to buy some stuff, and that is actually a good thing. That's why we saw the stock market also going up. I'm still very bullish. I'm waiting for the market to break this area, or maybe the market will just play around this white structure. Or maybe if we get this breakout on the support, I'm expecting the market to reach this level before going up. Simple as that. But for now, we still have this support, resistant. Then the market might squeeze up until we get that breakout. Maybe tomorrow the market will be doing that, and that will be cool. For those who wants to be part of the team, just know that once you join one of those, you will get also the system or signal indicator that doesn't really expire and it doesn't repaint. So for those who wants to be part of the team, you know what to do. Pause that video and just WhatsApp me. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot-Forex. I will see you on the next one. Bye.